Hi friend, in this tutorials we learn about the social cultural systems. This is the unit 1 in a cross cultural management system. So we are going in a what is the social cultural system. So in this way you can define the definition. A social cultural system is a physical and the theoretical. You know about the physicals in the any substance and anything will say like air soils. This is the physicals and theoreticals and structures where the humans interact in a society, where like we are staying in a society using the different culture. Okay, so the term of the socio culture system is the imbalance in a three concept. First, society, culture and system. So are the three words will be and three is like a mixture with a social culture system. Okay, so you can say the definition in a definition language. The social culture system is the something that involve a social and cultural aspect. Already I have told now, this is the three terms: social, culture and system. You can take a one examples. The social culture is the focus of a study in a anthropology. An example of the social culture is knowing about the people around you or their family backgrounds. You can say, you can understand this example. Okay, so here are the element. What are the element of the social culture system? They are the measure of the culture, material culture, language, with the which language you are like telling about that, and ethics. What are your ethics? Education, what are your basic education? Religions, what your basic background from the religion. Okay, and attitudes and the value and the social organization. So this is the most example. If you are like going on exam, so you can try to remember this graph, its diagram, and then you can say the its uh, pyramid size. So first you can look the ecological system. What is the ecological system? There are the different terms in this ecological system: the air, water, wild animals, wild plant, and then soil, sunlight. There are the minerals, oil, coal and the gas. All are the ecological system. With the help of a ecological system you can create the our infrastructure in the sense of the road, bridges, port and buildings. And then is in the same infrastructure you can build the sustainable interaction with the ecosystem. Okay, and then the unstable the eco social clubs. So there are the structure. So in the political institutions we are like dividing the labor division level and social health care. So here are the substructures. Okay, the political institution we are like again combining. This is the three stages. This is the basic background, 1 2 and 3 stages. Okay, so we are connecting with the directly in a superstructure. Okay, and then this is the indirectly connected with, this is the one types of cycle will be continuing. So you can directly draw this diagram in exam, so you can get a good marks. So this is the social culture. Thanks for watching my video.